Eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. I'm gonna get a close-up now.
Can I sprinkle some in?
No, they're okay.
Okay.
Getting a close-up.
Wait, can I put a clam treat thing in?
Oh, not right now. They're fine.
Can you show me what they look like?
Mmm.
They're so cute.
I got a close-up. Getting a close-up. And now.
They got parsley on their back.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I don't think they're eating it.
Yeah, I don't know if they like parsley.
What if they scratch each other?
That'll be okay. I guess pull their heads inside their shells.
Do they start bleeding?
I've never seen
Do
them
you have
bleed.
a clammy thingy?
I don't know what they are. That's my mom. Brush your hair.
Can you blush it?
Me?
Do we do something crazy with it? Sure.
Haven't brushed it in a long time. Well, actually, I brushed it on Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, I think. Yeah.
This is why I went yesterday.
I know.
Hungry turtles. Hello? Hungry.